Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fikri Fayhan Nur.
Muhammad Hatami.
Muhammad Arifin. We're gonna make a video procedure tech about how to use Tespen. The purpose of the Tespen is to check the presence or absence of electricity. In the tool is just electricity socket and Tespen.
And the step is, first, take the Tespen and hold the Tespen with the tips of your fingers. Second, place the Tespen of the index fingers on the top of the Tespen. Third, stick the end of the Tespen the bottom of the normal. Submit a minus and scale deeper to the power so to be tested.
3.
And the last, pay attention to the indicator light. If the indicator light is on, the power cord or the mains conductor is being electrified. Voltage is present if the indicator light is not on off. The power cord or the conductor of electricity is not electrified. No voltage at the conductor.
Now, stop. Thank you for watching our video about how to use Tespen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.